Hey cutie patooties, it's Miss P and my bestie Miss Val. We're here to teach you how to shimmy, and I've got some surprises. So we're going to teach you some shimmies, and then we're going to add some moves over those shimmies. We call that layering in belly dance, okay? So this is for all levels, all ages, all makes or models. Have fun, do whatever the heck you can do. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want more, join Belly Motions membership and app at join.bellymotions.com. I'm horrible at promoting, but I need to do it because if I don't, I will be dancing at Home Depot with a bucket for change or on the pole. So I need to promote. Val's mad. Look at her. She's so refined. She's like, why, Portia, why can't you just say something refined? Val comes from ballet. I come from New Jersey. I've said that before, but it's true. All right, are there like enough talking? Just start. Okay. Let's do it. Musica. Let's warm up. Shimmy tutorial. Here's what we're going to do. All right, ready? Check me out. Let's go into the soft knee shimmy. Feet parallel, bend, tuck, lift, roll, arms. Rock your hips like a baby. Rock your hips like a baby. Float your rib cage up. How do we do it? Well, we have to visualize that the lungs are filled with helium and the chest is like escaping us. It's like going away, making space for the pelvis to move, elongating the torso, elongating the spine, upper body quiet, weight in the heels. Pump your knees, tailbone is tucked, so don't give me the booty. Don't give me the booty. No, tuck it. 4, 3, 2, let's go a little faster. Yalla, shimmy. Shimmy, I went up to tempo. Shimmy. I want you to start feeling your inner thighs shaking like jello. Your knees are moving more rapidly, as well as the hips. They're going up and down. It's not super duper fast. In fact, it's more voluptuous and almost like a reverb, like it just continues on. Like junk in the trunk is floating out. Here's 4, 3. Can we add a little plie? Looks like this. Arms up, sit. Now don't go too low because you're going to put too much pressure on your knees. Pull your belly in, float your chest up, and just a little shift down and up like you're sliding your back down a wall. Weight in the heels. We go 4, 3, 2, and rest. Cross in front, inhale. Exhale again, inhale. Beautiful. Little tips, little modifications. If you have bigger thighs and you feel like your thighs are rubbing together, option 1, open a little wider. Option 2, 1 foot slightly in front, 1 foot in back. We do have some modifications. If it doesn't bother you, you can have your feet parallel. Good. Listen up. Here's 4, 3, 2, and rest. Take a deep breath up. Exhale. Come down. Bend. Let's move on. Tuck, lift, roll. 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock arms. Twist 1, twist 2. Rotate. Think of an old washing machine. The twisting motion. Suck your belly button to your spine. In other words, tighten your tummy muscles. Knees are bent. Please do not lock your knees like so. Very bad for the joints. Sit down. Grip the floor. Strong arms. They're going to want to do this, but no. 4, 3. Can you go a little faster, please? We go 1, 2, 1, 2. Suck the belly in, but release the hips. Suck the belly in, but release the hips. 4, 3, 2. Center, please. Shimmy, inhale. Cross in front. Grow tall like you're taking off a t-shirt. Look, you're going to grab your t-shirt, take it off. Don't really take it off. 1 more. Inhale. Up. Beautiful. Plie. Sit. Now this takes time. If you've been dancing a while, you're probably doing fine. You're following along. If you are new, this is tricky. This is a skill set. All right? You will learn. Practice over and over again. Listen up. 4, 3. Hold it down. Add a twist. 1 and 2. What? Yes. go faster? Holy moly. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Shimmy with a twist, twist. Shimmy with a twist, twist. 8, 7. Weight in the heels. Pump your knees. Here's 4, 3, 2. Just the twist. 4, 3, 2. Speed it up. What? Sit. Sit. Good. Strong arms. I know you feel it. We go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Take a deep breath. How you doing? Yeah? Doing good? Yeah. There's more where that came from. Good. So that was our bent knee shimmy, our earthy shimmy, our hip shimmy, our juicy shimmy. Not super fast, but more voluptuous, and celebrates the womb, the pelvis. Chest is up, knees are soft. Let's do it again. Just kidding, we're out of music. Pose. Next, straight leg shimmy. Let's continue, straight leg shimmy now. A different variation, a different feel. Feet parallel. Again, if you need to open, you can. Or you may step back if you need more space. Feet parallel. Now, knees are straight. That doesn't mean they're locked. They're just straight and buoyant and lifted. Tailbone tuck, chest up, shoulders back, arms. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a right, left, 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 right. Pump your knees like a drummer playing a drum. The smaller you can go, the better. And the more you can relax your thighs, the better. The idea is we have the jiggle wiggle in the thighs, and this comes up into the belly. So I'm going to show you my belly. Get in my belly. Shimmy, shimmy. Good, I want to see a jelly belly. Let's go, jelly belly. It's not easy, especially if it's your first time, but practice with me. Back and forth, knees please, knees please, knees please. Let me get some knees with that, please. We go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, arms up, yalla 8, 7. Ow! Let's go, in 4, and 3, and 2, open arms. Now we sit, go back to the plie shimmy, the hip shimmy, the knees pumping shimmy, the juicy, loosey, earthy, goosey shimmy. Good. 4, beautiful. 3, feel the difference. 2, last time, straight leg please. Hup. Hup, hold it, inhale. Lift your chest up, stay here, exhale, pump. Knees, don't worry about your butt jiggling as much as your belly jiggling, okay? Your thighs and your belly. Find it, frame it, down, 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 down. We go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, sit down. Ow! Boom. All right, can we add a little layering over that straight leg shimmy, that belly shimmy, that Egyptian shimmy, whatever you want to call it? Yeah, we do it. 4, 3, 2, straighten up, inhale up. All right, put it on autopilot. Exhale down, put it on autopilot. Boop. So it's on. It's a motor, it's running. Good, chest up. I want push right, push left. Shift the weight from one foot to the other. Feel the obliques lengthening and tightening at the same time. So now we've got a hip slide with a straight leg shimmy. Push, push, shimmy push, shimmy push. We go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Can you go faster, smaller? Hup, hup, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, arms up, up, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, bent knee shimmy, plie, sit. Woo! Makes the bent knee shimmy feel less strenuous, right? Or is it just me? Right? I feel like this is a release. it up, hop, hop. 1, 2, 1, 2. Weight in the heels. Chest come up, arms up. Good. Pull that belly in, but let the jiggle wiggle. Jiggle wiggle in 4, 3, 2. Straight leg shimmy, cross in front. Inhale. Find the jelly belly. 4, 3, 2. Push it side to side. 1, 2. Jelly belly to the right, jelly belly to the left. Just a push. A weight change. Upper body stays. We go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Speed it up. This is it. This is it. Here's 8, 7. Smaller 6. Yalla. Add the arms. 4, 3, 2. And rest. Boom. No more shimmy. Inhale. Woo! Give me some hamstring curls. Fix your pants. Oh, dance in the pants. All right, let's do a little stretchy stretch. Balance. If you need to hold on to the wall or a chair at home, please do so. Touch. Balance. Standing leg is not locked. Soft but contracted. Up. Grab. Bring your heel towards your glute. Hips in alignment. Standing leg is bent. Good. Shoulder blade back. 4. Stretch your quads. 3, 2, and 1. Let's do the other side. So we're going to release the quadriceps. Those are the 4 muscles that make up the thigh. Knee is soft. Grab the toe. You can even grab your ankle or your pants. All right. Chest can go back and front. Shoulder pulls back. That is okay. Knees close. Tailbone tucked. 4, 3, 2. Rest. Good. Open up those feet. Take a deep breath. Hands in prayer. One more time. Inhale. Beautiful. Spine release. Spine roll down. Inhale on the way down. Exhale up. Cross. Open. One more time. Let's finish. Come down. And roll it up. And give me a pose. I love it. Good job, my shimmy queens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment if you have questions. And if you want more, you can join us at the Belly Motions website and app, join.bellymotions.com. It's Miss P and Miss Val. Well, we call her V-Rod because her name's Valerie Rodriguez, so V-Rod. And I'm Miss P for short, so V and P, P and V. Peace and hair grease.